Hey guys, what is up? So today I'm gonna unbox two cubes. The first for my brother, so I won't be unboxing that. So I just got this package an hour before I need to leave for a competition, so I'm just gonna need to hurry a bit. So I'm gonna get some. Got these old ugly scissors, but anyway, like what I used when I was a tiny kid. So today I've got a Wapo for my brother, but I'm not going to unbox that. So first I'm going to unbox the Qiyi big sale. So the box is cold and the cube's freezing too. So it's just a normal box with a normal thing, and so yeah, it turns alright, except that it is freezing. So yeah, it has pretty good turning. So I'll try and use this one for feet. That could be a fun event to get into. So most importantly, I have my X-Man Pyraminx, which might be my main for the competition. Oh, so this one is like seriously freezing cold. So the tips are like when I tried them, but oh my god, how did it get so cold? So it turns a bit sandier than I expected it to turn, but I guess I've tried set up Pyraminxes, and I set up ones of these, and I've never tried one out of the box. And I think that this one's kind of old, so the lube that got put in it in the factory has dried out, which gives it kind of a bad sandyish feel. So yeah, too bad for that. So turns alright, better than my Moyu magnetic, so I will be using it in the competition. Just gonna try and do a sole with it, even though it is freezing cold. There, yeah. So anyways, this one's pretty cool, and this one's too. So I got these from lighttape.com. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.